Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip zucchini bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of grated zucchini, squeezed dry to prevent a soggy loaf. Also, measure out 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Don't forget the essentials like eggs, oil, and vanilla extract. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: the flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the 1 cup of sugar. Mix these until well blended. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, stirring just until combined. Be careful not to overmix. Next, gently fold in the 1 cup of chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. Once baked, let your delicious zucchini bread cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set before you transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice it up and enjoy this moist, flavorful treat with your family and friends. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.